Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, the GALA chart shows weakness together with the entire crypto sector. You see it here on the right hand side. Everything seems to be in the red today. Bitcoin and Ethereum, I just mentioned it on Discord. They have both shown us 5-wave patterns to the upside, well, specifically Ether. And that all adds further to the idea that we are not done yet with this correction. Also, GALA, you might remember from previous videos, GALA did react to that 100% Fibonacci extension level here at 5.3 cents, pretty much exactly, which is the first, basically the ideal target for wave C of 4. So unless the price really turns to the upside from here to form a nice 5-wave pattern, we're likely going to see one more low in the orange support region. Basically, what this chart does here, it tells us what we need to see for a reliable bottoming structure, that we can say that a low has actually formed on the GALA chart. And that is this 5-wave move to the upside. Shouldn't be anything new. Talked about it extensively in recent days and weeks. We need to see the price form 5 waves up. Until we get 5 waves up, we are still caught in corrective patterns. And we can't really trust them until we can see a rally in 5 waves to the 6.5 cent mark. That is the 161.8 extension of the initial 1-2 setup, which means that the which is basically sort of the first ideal target for a 5th wave. Okay, along the way, the 3rd wave should reach 6 cents, but we are far away from that. Instead, the market actually reacted here to this resistance level, this 100% extension, which is for an ABC structure in the yellow count, which is the short-term bearish scenario, which is the ideal target. So we can now talk about again, what would be an ideal target for that 5th wave to the downside, because again, we are clearly in a downtrend. Okay, we have seen higher highs, but not really higher lows yet. Okay, this is still missing. There is no low that has formed. That would give us any indication that we have started, let's say, or that we continue with that 3rd wave to the upside. If it does, great. Then we can put more emphasis on the white count. At the moment, we are moving down. There are certain micro support levels I think that we should mention. There is a small micro support area that's really, really micro here between this swing low at 3.85 cents and the 4.2 cent level, which is the 38.2 retracement. You could call that structural support and Fibonacci support, but I'll take that out because it's on the chart already. Important is, I think, that unless we now see a reaction to one of these levels that I just mentioned, we're likely heading down in wave 5 in yellow, wave 5 of C of B, and could target 3.3 cent next, or, and that seems to be a bit more reliable because it is the next Fibonacci extension level, into that downtrend direction. One of the projections for the 5th wave here, that is 3 cents. So I would pay attention to these two levels next, really, as main targets for wave 5. It probably stretches to 3 cents, I would say. Okay, and then we'll take it from there, and we'll have to see how the 5th wave or how the market does react to those pivots that are coming down below. But overall, the overall bullish thesis on this chart is not at risk until we break below 1.9 cents. So this is currently seen as a B wave pullback in the yellow count. And in this scenario, the price ideally shows a reaction before breaking below 1.9 cents. Now, surely it could be something more bearish, okay? But until we break below the 1.9 cent level, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. And at the moment, the mindset has to be anyway that we are in a correction until we see 5 waves to the upside. I think that's very important to recognize. That mindset here at the moment is very important. It's not the time for any aggressive long trades without having evidence that we have completed this correction. I think reducing cost can be an interesting strategy here at the moment across the sector. Adding to core positions, and that's sort of what we're watching for now. And if this is a 5th wave to the downside, I mean, it could unfold as a 5-wave move, but this looks more like an ending diagonal, so it might be just an ABC structure that's unfolding here to the downside. That's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.